Hello, my name is Jodo. I explained that smartphone controlled arbitrary waveform project. Arbitrary waveform project contains three main parts: interface source, data and driver source, and the last part communication part. In the interface source part, we design microprocessors and we design main base parts. First of all, we purchase the components and we design components and we merge components with projects. After that, we test the system with simulation program, exec Proteus, exec Altium, and we need the test bench for test the system. Second part, data and driver source part. Of first step, we research ADC converter. ADC converter provides the gains voltage and the voltage analog to digital convert. After we complete hardware design in this part, and we test. The last part, communication part. In this part, we develop the software communication between signal generator and the software. After that, we find another way. Bluetooth and communication port help our problem with hardware cable simulation, help with problem. And you see that arbitrary waveform generator network planning. That project keep approximately 70 days. Thanks for listening.
Hello, my name is Ferhat Bozkurt. Flowchart visually describes a process or algorithm, including steps and control. This is our basic of flowchart is our system, our signal generator flowchart. First of all, start. After that, we control the power is open. If the power is not open, return this part. If yes, check the Bluetooth connection, and the other input is phone. Phone sends the signals the Bluetooth module. If are there any signal? No. If no, we return the phone. If yes, sample clock generator address generator waveform. After that, microprocess part. After the digital to analog converter part, we control the phone signal exchange. If no, we always produce same signal. If yes, we return the start part. This is a UML class diagram. First of all, phone application. After that, Bluetooth module. After that, microprocessor. After that, the digital to analog converter. This is UML use case diagram. It used for a project plan that will come from the system in the usage scenario scenario program. General attention is paid to usage scenarios and application related to players. Here, the system evaluate taught the eyes of the customer. This is the important is the customer connection the phone, Bluetooth module connection the phone and microprocess, power connection the microprocess, digital to analog converter connection the microprocess, and signal output waveform connection the microprocess. UML state machine diagram, it's important. This is our start point of turn the startup and the self-test Bluetooth module and power or battery station self-test, microprocess self-test. If are there any failures, we return the off. If the no failure, we continue with the sample clock generator, address generator, waveform memory, digital to analog converter, and output. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hasan Hüseyin Altu. I will estimate the cost. First of all, equipment and material prices. The most important factor in the cost of the project is the parts that will be used when creating the system. During the supply of these parts, the price will vary according to the quality. In the commercialization phase, we want the product to be price performance oriented. The total equipment cost is $4,350 and personal cost. However, they must be the necessary personnel for the production to be carried out. The salaries of the personnel have an effect on the income expenditure balance of the production. Staff salaries, employed taxes, and SGK. And break-even analysis. In order for the products to be sustainable, profitable, we need to reach the break-even point as quickly as possible. If we are according to for this, the total cost is equal to the sum of the fixed cost and the variable cost of the product equal to the number of products. Revenue indicates how many units are sold at the selling price of the product. To determine the break-even point, total cost must equal revenue. We calculate the required cost to start the trade at 5,920. However, the required cost per product is 150. The value may change for reasons such as energy cost and labor. As a result of calculation and estimate, we believe that we will record the break-even point as a result of the sales of 70 units of our product per month. We think 2 years. Thank you for listening.
Hi everyone, my name is Seda Bulut. Today we are going to talk about evaluating the requirements marketing. Marketing requirements easy to use, efficient, cheap, portable, and accessibility. To evaluate our project through the marketing requirement for easy use of product, Furkan Avcıoğlu interface in our software department is designed and easy to understand interface that can be understood by all kinds of users. System engineer Hasan Hüseyin Altı will not compromise on the quality of the product and determine our product price with minimum cost that we can profit from. Ferhat Bozkurt, who is our hardware department, designed the main components of our product and contribute to the portability of your product. And evaluation to requirements engineering is also like generated arbitrary waveform sign, triangular subfoot, smartphone control, drive 1 Hz to 50 MHz, operated plus minus 5-volt peak value. To evaluate our project, we transferred information to the Bluetooth module by sending 1 Hz to 50 MHz and minus 5-volt and plus 5-volt amplitude to signal type we will choose from our design phone interface. We were able to convert the digital signal to analog signal by sampling. It's very important for us, sampling our signal with the embedded system because we wrote the microprocessor according to the desired data and send it into the AC section. And you can see the statement to answer, 50 is the statement to answer. I evaluate and assessment our team members, the performance and me. Like my team is knowledgeable about the stage of development team can be expected to go through. I think totally agree, but there are many complaints and morale is low on my team. Totally disagree because our very morale is low, not low, is very high on my team. And team members don't understand the decision that are made or don't agree with them is and totally disagree because our member very unstable and you can easily understood. Thank you for listening to us.